Okay, then types of cloud, public cloud, private cloud. Let's take a private cloud, which is a server or data center. It is fully dedicated to one organization. Example, I could say is like Red Hat, VMware. And when it comes to public cloud, it is a service run by an external vendor where the servers in one or multiple data centers we will be used. So public clouds are shared by multiple organizations. Example I can say is like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Hybrid, as you all know, like it is going to combine both public and private clouds and some on-premises legacy servers, those things. In short, like to a better understanding, how we can take is like if you want to choose a private cloud, if your organization is having highly confidential files, you can choose a private cloud. And you can choose public cloud if the files that you're using in your organization is not much important. Hybrid, in the case if you want both. So software as a service, like instead of users installing an application on their device, SaaS applications are hosted on the cloud servers, and the users can access them over the internet anytime. And it is like an renting a house, how the landlord maintains the house, but the tenant mostly gets to use it as if they owned it. So it's an example. The example of the organization using software as a service is Salesforce, Mailchimp, Slack, and Zogo. This is software as a service, very basic, and most cloud. And this next is platform as a service. Companies don't pay for the hosted applications. Instead, they pay for the things they need to build their own applications. It's like we can compare it related to the renting all the tools and equipments that we need for building a house, instead of renting the whole house itself. Like we can get the necessary parts that we need, like that past vendors offer everything necessary for building an application, so they will provide you the everything, including it can be development tools or infrastructure, what type of OS you're going to use over the internet. Example would be like a Heroku, Microsoft Azure. Next is infrastructure as a service. A company rents the servers and storage they need from a cloud provider. They then use that cloud infrastructure to build their applications. For this infrastructure as a service, it's like a company leasing a plot of land which they can build whatever they want. It's completely up to them, but they need to provide their own building equipment or materials, those kind of things. Providers include DigitalOcean, Google Computing Engine, and OpenStack are the major users of infrastructure as a service model.